In round 5, we're going to place 1 single crochet in the first 3 stitches and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now 2 single crochets in this stitch. Repeat that pattern 7 more times. Move your stitch marker to the last stitch completed, and then I want to take a closer look at some of our stitches. It is so easy to lose count when you're working. We all get distracted, look away, and forget which stitch we're on. Take a closer look at these stitches. You can see 1 single crochet in each stitch. Each one has 2 pieces of yarn. Then you can see 4 pieces of yarn here where we made 2 single crochets. If you ever get a little lost in the middle of a round, take a closer look to figure out where you are. Don't forget to count the stitches in round 5. You should have 40.